Alright, here's a quick video I want to show you. I did install the factory half twist throttle that it came with the unit. This is also the factory CYC thumb throttle. But I also want to show you this, that it's still gonna give me the same issue. So here we go. So I'm gonna power up the device. You're gonna hear the buzzing sound with the error code 30. I'm using the x12 controller because x6 is completely dead. I show you in my other video. So just gonna power up. I don't know if you heard it. Okay, and it goes away. So now I'm able to connect to the app. It's gonna find it. There we go. Now I'm connected. Okay, so it's the street mode now. Voltage is full 58.1 volt. The error code, you said it doesn't show error code here. When I hit log in, it won't find any error code, but I show you in the start, that's what's coming up. Okay, so let me put the level assist. Okay, so now I'm on the street mode, so you're gonna see the motor is gonna pause. So I'm just gonna lift the bike. Actually, I gotta fold it the other way because I'm used to the thumb throttle. Now I switch it to the twist throttle. There we go. As you can see, now starts motor back again. So when I have on the street mode, that's what I have. But when I switch it to race mode, so I'm on race mode now, it's not gonna pause. So it doesn't pause. Okay, so I already show you the overriding the display. Not doing it now because I already show you in my other video. Sorry. So start it up again, turn it off, start it up. You're gonna hear the buzzing sound and the error code once it comes up. There we go, and it goes away. So this is my app here. I want to also show you the firmware. It's up to date. Up to date. Okay, choose a file. I don't know what's the code here. Maybe I can switch to another version. Maybe that will fix the issue. I don't know. I don't have the code, but what I know is I did change the x12 X1 Pro Gen 4 to Gen 3. So by going to modes and level, and then over here motor type, and then you're gonna put the password. I think it's 32531. Hit OK. There we go. Before it was Gen 4 when I first installed the X12, and somebody from the Facebook group told me about this changing of motor type, and he gave me the code. He got it from CYC, and I was able to bring the bike to life again. At least now the motor runs without pausing on race mode. If I had it on Gen 4 in the beginning, it was pausing like crazy. It was like just spinning it for one or 2 seconds. The motor will pause for a long time, and then it comes back again. After changing back and forth, now I think even the Gen 4 it will work, but I don't know if there is any setting I have to change here. General, here is my general information. It's not important here. Throttle, I'm gonna try to set up, so I gonna start. Okay, so I'm not gonna use the throttle until it says press the throttle. Now I'm pressing the throttle all the way up, and soon it's gonna say complete. So now this is the voltage I have. So let's turn it off again. I gotta save first, and now go back, stay. I gotta hit save again here, and okay. Now so I can go back now. Okay, so let's try it again, street mode. I don't have a stand to mount the bike, but gotta put the level up. Again, same issue. Oops, there we go. But it won't pause on the race mode. So let me turn off the system, turn it back on, and show you still get the error code. You're gonna hear the buzzing sound. There we go again. So yeah, it's still frustrating. This is like been out for almost a month since Easter when I put the x12. Still problem with this kit. I wish I never upgraded to the x12 if I knew this was gonna happen, or maybe I had to buy the motor with it too. So I'm still using the x3, the Gen 3, X1 Pro Gen 3. I got it from you guys, the kit, and you know, I only changed the controller, which is mounted here. Okay, so, and this throttle is the factory throttle from CYC, as you can see here. And then this is the twist throttle that came with the system. I used it for a month, and then I decided to go with the twist throttle, and it was working fine until I did the upgrade. That's when it stopped working. Okay, alright guys, I hope this video helped you out. I'm gonna also post this on YouTube and make it public. That way you guys be able to watch this video. Thanks, and hopefully I hear from you guys. Thank you. Bye.